proceedings. Let me start by asking Madam Foreperson, has the jury reached unanimous verdicts?
Yes.
Members of the jury, before we learn what your verdicts are, let me take this opportunity to thank you for your service. I started at this trial at the beginning of jury selection by speaking with you, among other things, about jury service, in particular that it is one of the 2 or 3 most important obligations we each have to the other as citizens. My observation is that you've served with patience and with dignity throughout this process. I appreciate it and I thank you. The Deputy Clerk, members of the jury, will take your verdicts. Madam Clerk.
Madam Foreperson, in the matter of State v. Seth Mazelia, the first charge, purposeful first-degree murder by strangulation. Do you find the defendant guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
Guilty is the verdict of purposeful first-degree murder by strangulation. So say you all members of the jury.
Yes.
Yes.
As to the second charge, knowing first-degree murder before, after, or while engaged in the commission or attempted commission of felonious sexual assault. Do you find the defendant guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
Guilty is the verdict on knowing first-degree murder before, after, or while engaged in the commission or attempted commission of felonious sexual assault. So say you all members of the jury.
Yes.
As to the next charge, conspiracy to commit tampering with witnesses or informants, do you find the defendant guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
Guilty as to conspiracy to commit tampering with witnesses or informants, so say you all members of the jury.
Yes.
And as to the last, conspiracy to commit falsification of physical evidence, do you find the defendant guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
Guilty is the verdict as to conspiracy to commit falsification of physical evidence, so say you all members of the jury.
Yes.
Thank you.
Madam Foreperson, you can have a seat. Mr. Mazelia, you can have a seat, sir. Counsel, is there anything further to be raised with your jury or with me before I dismiss your jury?
No, Judge, thank you. No, sir.
For the record, I announce the jury's verdicts as follows. On purposeful first-degree murder by strangulation, guilty. On knowing first-degree murder before, after, or while engaged in the commission or attempted commission of felonious sexual assault, guilty. On conspiracy to commit tampering with witnesses or informants, guilty. And on conspiracy to commit falsification of physical evidence, guilty. Sentencing will be scheduled in this case on a date and at a time arranged by the clerk in the future in the ordinary course. Mr. Mazelia, you are remanded into custody, sir. Jurors, please return to the jury assembly room. I will be back momentarily to accept any suggestions you have as to how I run things in this courtroom and then dismiss you from your service. Please rise.
All right. All the way back. We'll grab your purses now.
Mazelia, guilty on all 5 charges. I'm joined by Dave Ruoff, Manchester defense attorney. Dave, you were right. You said that it was a fairly quick verdict and it usually favors the prosecution. You're not surprised by this?
No, I'm not, given the nature of the evidence and nature of
4
the
charges
testimonial.
guilty.
Yeah. Well, it's all charges. I believe
Yeah.
there were 5. That he was convicted on all 5 counts. And they'll have a sentencing hearing in probably the next month and a half or so. The reason that they didn't do a summary sentencing hearing today is because there were additional charges that he was convicted on. So the judge will be able to take some evidence and listen to witness testimony in order to fashion an appropriate sentence for those other charges.